Hello, it's Ollie here at the Crafty Whisk, and I'm so grateful that you could join me today. And we're back with day 6 of the Advent box from Uniquely Creative. Right, this one I think, I don't know, I was going to say stamp, but it's quite rectangle, so I am out of guesses at this stage. Oh, it is a stamp. I should have guessed stamp. So this one is called Essential Ephemera Stamp, and they're all individual stamps. So we've got, I'll take it out of the packaging so that you can see it better without all the glare. Okay, so we've got some barcode sort of lines, some Swiss dots, some journaling lines, Memo, you documented, love this date today, happy, noted, birthday, remember, and some little icons. So that's really good for journaling journals, and just for journaling also on scrapbook pages. And I could even see it being used on stamps as well, actually, especially with the postage stamps that are so popular at the moment. So that was day 6. Join me tomorrow for day 7. Please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss it when I bring out a new video.